हेलो बच्चों, आज हम एबीसीडी लिखना सीखेंगे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। ए ए ए फॉर एप्पल। ए फॉर एप्पल। बी 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 फॉर बॉल। बी बी फॉर बॉल। सी C for cat. C for cat. D D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z